When is my next flight?
We're going to take a look at that.
You need to take a look at it now because I don't want to waste my time. I will go home and I will come back. So when is my next flight?
On a weekday afternoon, at Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta International Airport in Georgia, a routine boarding closure that pulled in airport law enforcement and was recorded on camera by the passenger herself. The passenger is identified in widely circulated foot as Yolenta Elfin, a licensed real estate agent from Massachusetts. She reached her Delta gate only after the boarding window for her flight to Rochester had already closed. The gate agent, identified as Albany, declined to reopen the jet bridge. From the outset, the passenger does not ask for rebooking. She demands an immediate reversal of the decision, noting that the aircraft is still at the gate.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry because my plane is literally right there. And it said departing at 4:10. And I've been sitting here arguing with you for 15 minutes.
Okay.
So when is my next flight?
We're going to take a look at that.
You need to take a look at it now because I don't want to waste my time. I will go home and I will come back. So when is my next flight?
We'll take a look at it.
No. You're going to take a look at it now and you're going to write your information down because I'm going to report you to SELT.
Okay.
So what is so your name is Albany? What's your last initial? What's your badge number?
Last initial L, we don't have our badge.
Well, you will get reported and you will probably.
Okay.
Yes. Because what you're doing is really wrong. Because I was here right before you let that other person in. You let another person in right before me. And then when I got here, you said no. Why? The plane is literally still sitting there. Now it's backing up. For no apparent reason. I could have been on that flight. No. I'm not waiting for him to get here. I want to know when my next flight is. Please let me know when my next flight is. When is my next flight?
If you can tell it. Yes.
No. I don't know when they're getting here. I want to know when my next flight is. So if it's
They're on
at 10 o'clock, I'm going to go home and come back.
Regardless, we have to wait for state police, so you have to wait.
Why?
Under a commercial airlines contract of carriage, boarding closes at a fixed cutoff, commonly 15 minutes before departure. Once that window passes, operational and safety procedure controls the outcome, not the agent's discretion.
You need
Because
to...
you called state police?
Yes, I did, but can you tell me when my next flight is? I did that
Once
because
they get
I don't
here-
appreciate what you guys just did.
So our doors closed 15 minutes after flight time. Everyone else.
Your announcement, I didn't hear any of it.
Wait, they moved too far away. Everyone else got on the aircraft that was like. So because you showed up late to the gate,
There was a person right in front of me that she was on. And then when I got
your backside, he already cleared.
But he was... Yeah, but I was showing my boarding pass. I showed my boarding pass and she's like, you're too late.
Yeah, so you have to rebook.
So when is the next flight?
The passenger then shifts tactics. She demands the agent's name, last initial, and badge number, and threatens to have her reported and fired, insisting the employee will probably lose her job over a single missed flight. The airline gate agents are not law enforcement, and they typically do not carry or issue badge number. Badge 4s. The threat to end the employee's career has no bearing on the boarding rules and serves only to escalate the encounter even further. Commercial concentration at AMSA. Publishable Airline is a private carrier. Under its published contract of carriage, it reserves the right to decline transport whenever a passenger arrives after the boarding deadline or behaves in a disruptive manner at the gate. Because the airline is a private company rather than a government actor, constitutional protections such as the First or Fourth Amendment do not constrain its decision to deny boarding to a passenger who has simply arrived too late. The passenger's only remedy is rebooking or a formal complaint, not an on-the-spot reversal. She insists that another traveler was allowed through seconds earlier, and that she herself had already shown a valid boarding pass. Gate agents apply the cutoff to the exact moment the door is secured for departure. A difference of seconds can place one passenger inside the window and another outside it, and the footage alone cannot confirm any unequal treatment.
Give us a second. We're gonna
Okay, do it.
Do you mind taking the seat or us?
No, I don't want to. I want to stand here. Thank you.
The encounter takes a decisive turn when the passenger states that she has called the police. Summoning law enforcement to force a business. Summoning law enforcement to force a private decision is not a recognized use of the emergency system. Disorderly conduct. Under Georgia Code, Section 6.11 include acts that disrupt the lawful operation of a business. Sustained interference with active gate operations may fall within this Georgia provision. By her own statement, the passenger intends to remain at the counter until those officers arrive. An airport terminal is controlled property, and the airport authorities or their agents may lawfully direct any person to leave the premises. Under Georgia Code Section 16.721, criminal trespass occurs when a person remains on premises after a lawful order to depart. At that point, her continued presence, not the original dispute, becomes the legal issue. 6. When Georgia State Police arrived, they did not order the aircraft door reopened or secure a seat for the passenger. After reviewing the situation and speaking with the gate staff, the officers simply escorted her out. No use of force is evident, and no arrest has been reported. According to media coverage, Delta reportedly added the passenger to its no-fly list after an internal review, and she later deactivated her public social media accounts. These outcomes are based on news reporting and have not been independently confirmed in this analysis. The legal evaluation follows and rests on the recorded behavior at the gate and the Georgia statutes that clearly apply to it. The gate agent receives an A. She applied the boarding cutoff consistently, declined to reverse a closed boarding for safety reasons, and stayed calm and professional, refusing to escalate despite the passenger's sustained provocation. The passenger receives a D. She refused rebooking, tried to intimidate an employee with threats to her job, and summoned law enforcement to override a private operational decision, a misuse of resources that worked directly against her. The responding officers and the airline receive an A-. The officers correctly refused to compel a private carrier to reopen a closed flight and resolve the disruption without any force, leaving only a small gap in public transparency. This encounter offers several practical lessons. First, arriving before the published boarding cutoff is the traveler's own responsibility. Once a gate closes for safety reasons, no amount of arguing at the counter will reopen it. Second, a private airline's choices are governed by its contract of carriage, not by on-the-spot negotiation. The correct response to a denied boarding is to request rebooking or to file a formal complaint through the official channels. Third, the police cannot force a private business to reverse a lawful decision. Calling them over a customer service dispute can backfire, and persistent disruption of operations may itself amount to disorderly conduct under state law. Fourth, once staff or authorities lawfully ask a person to leave controlled property, refusing can turn a simple civil dispute into criminal trespass. Walking away preserves both legal standing and the option to dispute the matter later. Finally, conduct recorded on camera. Conduct recorded on camera can follow a person far beyond the airport. Staying composed and using proper channels protects a traveler's rebooking options, personal reputation, and in this case, even continued access to the airline. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this content informative or compelling, please take a moment to like and subscribe.
Turn on notifications so you will be the first to know when we release new uploads. Our channel brings you the most fascinating police interactions, courtroom proceedings, and their real-world legal moments, and there is a lot more on the way.